Hello learners! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and click notification bell. Sa video na ito, tatalakayin natin ang adding and subtracting radicals.
Good day, dear learners! Before we start with our new lesson, let's take a review on simplifying radicals. How do we simplify? If we have a non-perfect square radicand, we need to factor the radicand such that one of the factor is a perfect square. For example, square root of 27. The factors of 27 such that one of the factors is a perfect square are 9 and 3. So that we have square root of 9 times 3. And that is equal to 3 square root of 3. Next example, we have square root of 75. Factor 75. That is equal to 25 times 3. So we have square root of 25 times 3. Get the square root of 25. So we have 5 square root of 3. So the simplified form of square root of 75 is 5 square root of 3. Today, we will discuss about addition and subtraction of radicals. How? So here are the rules in adding and subtracting radicals. Number 1, we need to simplify the terms with radicals. Number 2, we need to combine similar radicals. So here is example number 1. 2 square root of 3 plus 5 square root of 3. As you can notice, they are similar radicals because both of them has square root of 3. So we need to add 2 plus 5 and then copy the square root of 3. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, copy the square root of 3. So the answer is 7 square root of 3. Next example. What if we have 2 square root of 3 minus 5 square root of 3? So the same procedure. We need to subtract 2 minus 5. That is equal
Sa video na ito,
negative
tatalakayin natin
3.
ang adding and subtracting radicals.
3. So we also have 5x squared of 3y plus 4x squared of 3y. Still, that is a similar radicals. So we need to add 5x plus 4x, that is equal to 9x, and then we need to copy 3y or square root of 3y. So the answer will be 9x square root of 3y. So can we notice that the radicals we used in our previous examples are similar or like radicals? They have the same index and same radicand, right? Some radicals may not appear to be similar or like terms. In such case, simplification may allow us to add or subtract radicals. So here is an example. We have 5 square root of 2 plus square root of 18. So we need to simplify the square root of 18. How? What is the factor of 18 that one of the factor is a perfect square? Yes, we have 9 times 2 that is equal to 18 and 9 is a perfect square. So that will be square root of 9 times 2. And what is the square root of 9? We have 3. So square root of 18 is also equal to 3 square root of 2. So now, we can now add 5 square root of 2 and 3 square root of 2. So what will be the answer? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and we need to copy square root of 2. And also, square root of 50 plus square root of 32. So we need to simplify both, okay? So what is the factor or what are the factor of 50 such that one of them is a perfect square? Right. 25 times 2 because 25 is a perfect square. What about square root of 32? The factor is 16 times 2. And 16 is a perfect square. So we have now 5 square root of 2 plus 4 square root of 2. So the final answer is 9 square root of 2. What if the radicals do not have the same index and the same radical? For example, what if we have cube root of 2 plus square root of 3? We cannot add them. That's why we just need to copy them. So the answer in the cube root of 2 plus square root of 3 is equal to cube root of 2 plus square root of 3. Next example, what if we have square root of 5 minus fourth root of 2? Same with our previous example. We just need to copy them. So the answer will be square root of 5 minus fourth root of 2. Now, let's have a review of what we've discussed today. What are the rules in adding and subtracting radicals? Number 1, simplify terms with radicals. Number 2, combine similar terms. What if they are not similar radicals? We need to simplify them first until they become similar radicals before we can add or subtract them. Okay?